Let's hope this brush is dirty. It's really dirty. I feel like the quality on this camera is too good for the amount of money that's in my bank account. I'm back and better than ever. I'm actually filming this a week later than I planned to film it because my eyelids refused to stop watering for like 2 weeks, so I couldn't wear makeup for like a good 2 weeks. Also, the quality is slightly better and you're wondering why, I may or may not have invested in an upgrade because my phone was almost 2 years old, so it was time for an upgrade. And I got the iPhone XR. Yes, an X, because I'm bougie. Yes, I just feel so rich, even though I didn't buy it. I fucking leased it at Sprint for 24 months. So, but today's video is about Valentine's Day makeup. You heard it here first. I was gonna do 2 looks, but I really don't have time to do 2 looks, so I think I'm just gonna do 1 and we'll see how I'm feeling afterwards. If you managed to find this video amongst the 10,000 other Valentine's Day makeup videos, hello, thank you for watching this one. Alright, let's get started, shall we? So I have already primed my eyes and put concealer on and set it. So this is disgusting, but my favorite transition color is this one in the Yes Please palette. So I'm gonna take that brush and I'm gonna just blend, I'm gonna pat it a little bit just because my concealer isn't set. I feel like I kind of want to set it. I'm gonna set it. I'm gonna start here and just blend it out. You can't really see it too much. I don't know if you can really see it at all on camera. All right, the main attraction in this look is gonna be this color right here. It's gorgeous. Like, I discovered it last week and like it's low-key, it blends into the back of this palette. Like, it seems like such a color, but it's literally the prettiest color in this palette. Sorry. I'll focus this on the outside for right now. This color is so pretty, so fucking pretty. I'm gonna mix this color that I've been using, and this. Let's hope it works. Just drag her underneath. I've never really used this. Like, I tested a little bit, but I haven't really used it, so I'm gonna be really risky right now and use this. Whenever I do a cut crease, I immediately grab the brush that I was using and I blend the fuck out of the ends. You might be like, how is that even useful if you have to put the color on the lid? Bitch, it is. Trust me, just do it. This like baby pink will show up, maybe. Maybe it will show up and show out correctly. I'm just gonna keep packing that until like you really can see it. I bought these glitters. I feel like you gotta wear glitter on Valentine's Day. Found it. I have my NYX glitter primer that is so old. There we are, nice and expired. Hey, I'm gonna use this little fan brush. I got it from Michael's. It's a paintbrush, but it's the best thing I've ever owned. And just fucking outline that shit. Alright, here's the glitter. I'm just gonna line this up, you know, be super basic, but I'm gonna line it up because I just don't like that you can't see a distinct line between the yeah and the yeah. All right, and I don't want it to be so like, okay, the color, I wanted it to be white, but that's not white anymore. So it's kind of a grayish purple lilac-y color. Whatever, it still works. But I'm gonna just, my dumb ass, I'm just gonna continue this line because I'm gonna do some editing, fix this joint up. I'ma be back. My lashes look a mess. It's okay though. We're gonna take this lilac-y color and put it in our waterline. All right, there we go. I love it. I bought this a long ass time ago. Let's see, its shelf life is 12 months. Should I put this on my face? I've already done it, so I'm just gonna put it on my face. I'm gonna use this Glam Glow Mega Illuminating Moisturizer because I want to be dewy on Valentine's Day. You know what I'm saying? I want to be dewy. Basic with our Mario Badescu spray. I use this as a setting spray. I really just don't want to spend money on a setting spray because I go through them super quickly. That's why I buy the big one of this. I bought this a week ago. A week. And this is how much I've used. This is why I don't buy expensive setting sprays or something like that, because a week. 1 week. I'm a fiend. I know this is a sleeping mask, but I'm gonna use it as a moisturizer because you can do whatever you want. Let me make sure I don't forget the none whatsoever. Oh my god, if you know what that's from. You're a real one. I make a lot of Disney movie references, Disney and DreamWorks movie references. That's how I live my life. All right. I think it's good enough. It's the Milani Concealer Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer in the color 9 Tan. This is the deepest shade I've ever seen in any store, right? For years. I bought that like maybe 2 years ago. It's kind of gross, but whatever. I never really use it. But yeah, I bought it about 2 years ago, and for 2 years that's the darkest shade I've ever seen in stores, like with my own eyes. If you've ever seen it, okay, great for you, but I ain't never seen darker shades. I go into Target last week and I see the little thing, what am I trying to say, like the thing that describes the products. I saw it and it had like like 7 shades after this one, and I was shook because I know there's more. I knew there was more shades, but it's like, I mean, I'm not gonna order it online. I want to see it in person. So like, that's an upgrade. They're finally putting darker shades in stores. Like, I don't understand why. It just doesn't make sense to me why black people gotta buy their shades online. Like, I don't get it. Why we gotta buy our shades online? Like, I don't understand. Like, explain to me your logic. Like, what is it? Because I don't. Yeah, I think this is definitely like a matte foundation. I'm still gonna set it, but very lightly. Kind of got a lot, and I'm just dust a little bit off. All right. And just like, just dust that all around. Alright, next we shall bronze. It did right there a little bit, but it's okay. It always does that, like, no matter what. But it was watering and ruining my concealer and my under eye, like, so bad. But not wearing makeup for like 2 weeks clearly helped my situation. Right, this is the color right here. I'm gonna use it to bronze a little bit. Alright, okay, baby cakes. So I'm gonna use a little bit of this as well, just because I feel like I really need to go for it on Valentine's Day. So the Kylie Jones kind of suck a little bit, so they come out. If you shake them, like, the whole like inside will just come out. So I don't have a sharpener, so this is what I do. You can tell it hasn't been sharpened. Like, the actual product is really good, but the packaging is not the best at all. I'm just gonna use like a little bit of this, not too much. This is the Fenty lip paint, Stunna lip paint. And just like tap it in the middle, because it's a little darker than I want to go, so I'm not gonna put it all over my whole lip. The Morphe Sam's Bretman Rock, this shit, like, it looks so like dull, but this shit is blinding. This shit is blinding. Like, that's all I have to say. Something from here. So something from here and something from here is about to go in my face. Laid mixed with Shady Bitch. Get laid, you shady bitch. Alright. Alright. So I kind of use this as a foundation. I don't want it to do too much just yet, because I'm gonna be putting a lot on top. It's my favorite two. As you can see, these two, I don't know what they're called, but we're gonna mix these two with this one. So these three is what I use like every day. So I just put a gloss on it because I wasn't feeling it matte. It was too matte for me. And my cute ass look though. I like the look. I love the look. Don't come for the look. Come for everything else, but don't come for the eyes. Except for the lash. You can come for the lash. Alright, so this is the final look. Yes, serving looks for you today. well, that's all I got. Thanks so much for watching your girl today. I don't really have anything else to say, so I think I'll see y'all next time. Feel free to subscribe. I mean, you here, I'm here, we here, everybody here. Might as well subscribe, you know what I'm saying?